Welcome to another episode of AI Spotlight Show. We're live here at AI4 Conference here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
My name is Vijay. I'm a clinician, but I'm also the CEO and founder of 21D. And we are actually an AI business with our own clinics.
Okay.
Okay? So everybody thinks we're a clinical business. We're not. We're an AI business, but we have our own clinics. And the reason we have our own clinics, because I'm a practicing clinician and I have a team of practicing clinics, is because we realized that the easiest way to get data to train the AI model was directly from the patients we treat anyway. People with the highest need in dentistry.
Okay.
So they haven't got any teeth left, or the teeth they have left are so diseased that they have to come out. They're in pain, they can't eat, they can't do anything.
Okay.
And what they're worried about is, can I treat them? They're always worried that they've lost too much bone, or it's not going to be possible, or they're going to need bone grafting, or they're going to need all kinds of horrific things.
Yeah.
And when they realize, when it's shown to them on big screens, that actually it's really straightforward, that actually the correction is quick and they can see where they are and what the transition looks like to the new reality, they suddenly feel a lot better. We currently, right now in the UK, and remember, we only do this.
Okay.
So we don't do any checkups, fillings, whitening, Invisalign. We don't do any of that stuff. We just do this.
You only attend to people that have damage.
The highest need, the biggest damage.
Yeah.
So in the UK, we right now have 7.5 million people that need this treatment.
Wow.
So we are the biggest providers for these people.